Hello, first graders, and hello, first grade parents and guardians. This is Mr. Begay. We're going to switch now to math. This week, we're going to focus on counting by twos. If you look at your screen there, Mr. Begay already has numbers on there. And I'm moving the mouse around. You probably can see it now. It's on the 3, it's on that 5, it's on the 19, it's on the 15 now, okay? And I have numbers down here too also. Mr. Begay is going to show you what to do with these numbers. You're going to just watch me. Now, you can't see Mr. Begay because if I put myself in the picture here, I'm going to be covering some spots. We're going to need to see the whole format, okay? But as long as you can hear me, you should be able to really comprehend what counting by twos means. Okay, now first graders, here we go. Pay attention and just look at your screen. Watch what Mr. Begay does. You don't need a paper or pencil just yet. Just watch your screen. Okay, there's numbers that are missing here. I'm sure you probably noticed that. Now, we're going to figure out what the missing numbers are that are supposed to go in between these numbers. And there's also numbers down here that we're going to figure out, okay? Now, we're just going to go from 1 to 20. We're going to just count by twos. Now, first graders, if Mr. Begay gets this, and if I drag it this way, and if I put that in there, does that look right? Do you count like this? 1, 16, 3? No, we don't count like that, okay? That doesn't go there. That's 16. 16's gonna go somewhere else. Now, let's count by our numbers, okay? Let's just count. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, we counted all our numbers. Now, here we go. Let's count again with Mr. Begay. Watch me. Ready? Here we go. 1. What number goes there? Yes, 2. Now, Mr. Begay is going to get 2, and I'm going to drag it up here. We're going to put 2 there, okay? So 2 is there now, first graders, okay? Now, let's count again. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. What number goes there? 4. Yes, 4 is going to go there. Now, look at your screen. Is that number 4? No, that's not number 4. There is a 4 here, but there's a number in front of it. This says 14. 14 is not 4, so Mr. Begay is going to bring this back. Now, here we go now. There's our 4. Now, here we go. We're getting our number chart together to count by twos. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number goes there? Good job, 6. So Mr. Begay is going to bring 6 up here. Now here's our number chart. Looking really good now, first graders. Follow again. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number goes there? Good job. Now did Mr. Begay put the correct number there? No, I didn't, because there's an 8 here, but there's a 1 in front of it. This is 18. We said 8, so I'm going to bring this back, and I'm going to pull 8 over here. That's number 8. Now, here we go. Follow me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What number? Good job. 10 goes here. Now, is that 10? No, that's not. That's 14. There's a 1 and 4 there. So Mr. Begay is going to bring this back. Now, here we go now. There we go. 10 now is in there. Now, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What number? Good job. 12's gonna go there. There you go. 12 now. Here we go now, first graders. Our number chart's looking good now. Here we go now again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What number goes there? 14. Good job. Now we're going to put that there. 14. Let's keep going. We still have some numbers we got to put in here now again. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What number? Good job. 16. So Mr. Begay is going to put 16 there. Now our number chart's coming together. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What number? 18. Good job. So Mr. Begay is going to put 18 there. Now let's count again because we have one more number we got to put here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What number goes after 19? Good job. 20. So I'm going to put a 2 there. And I'm going to put the 0 right behind it. 2 zeros, 20. Okay, good job, first graders. Now, our objective is we're going to count by 2s, okay? Watch Mr. Begay. I'm going to remove 1. I'm going to put 1 there. I'm going to leave 2 there, okay? I'm going to leave it here because we're going to count by 2s. Mr. Begay is going to take that 3 out of there again. Okay? Now we only have 2 numbers here. 2, 4. Now what number do you think I'm going to take away now? What number am I going to have to get rid of? Is it going to be the 4, 5, or 6? It's going to be the 5 here, okay? As if you noticed, first graders. I hope you noticed there's a pattern now you're seeing. Now here we go. Count with me. 2, 4, 6. Then we have a number in between and a number here. Which number do you think we're going to have to get rid of? 7. Good job. We're going to get rid of 7. Let's bring it down here. Now let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8. And we have 2 numbers here again. Which number is Mr. Begay going to have to get rid of? Think. What number? The 9. Good job. I'm going to bring it down here now. Now let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And we have 2 numbers right here again. Which number am I going to have to get rid of? The 11. Good job, first graders. Now count with me again. Remember, we're counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And there's 2 numbers now behind here. Which number am I going to get rid of, first graders? Is it going to be 13 or 14? Good job. It's going to be 13. Look at that now. We're counting by 2s now. You probably see a pattern here now. Count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And we have 15 and 16 here. Which number do I get rid of? Which number is Mr. Begay going to drag over here? Is it going to be 15 or 16? It's going to be 15. Good job, first graders. Now count with Mr. Begay again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now we have 2 numbers here. Which number am I going to get rid of? 17 or 18? Which number should I drag here? 17. Good job now. Now count with Mr. Begay. We're counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Now we have 2 numbers behind here now. Which number am I going to get rid of? The 19 or 20? Good job. Mr. Begay's going to get rid of 19 now. Now look, first graders. Good job. We did our first objective of counting by twos. Now count with Mr. Begay. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Let's do it again, first graders. Count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. One more time. Let's keep going. We got to get this down. Let's get repetitive here. One more time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. One more time. Let's read it. Here we go now. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, first graders, here's what you're going to do. Watch the mouse. You see I'm moving it around? I'm moving it. It's on the 10 now. I'm going to move the mouse like this. And you're going to repeat it. You're going to say those numbers to Mr. Begay, okay? Now, here we go now. I'm going to move the mouse and then just tell me what that number is. Ready? Here we go. Good job, first graders. You said those numbers correctly. Now, let's try it again. I'm going to move the mouse and you're just going to repeat it to yourself again. Ready? Watch the mouse and say that number. Here we go. Good job, first graders. Now, Mr. Begay is going to help you again. Let's read it together with Mr. Begay. Repeat after me. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. One more time. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good job, first graders. Now, that's what you call counting by twos. Say, counting by twos. Good job. Now, first graders, here's what I want you to do now. Now, I'm going to come here to this next slide. I want you to get a sheet of paper and a pencil. Go get a paper and pencil now. When you get your paper and pencil, I want you to copy these numbers down exactly how you see it on your screen, okay? There's 3 rows here. I want you to complete those. Let me help you with this first one, okay? We counted, okay? That's the same thing as this one, what we did here. You see how we counted? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, if you look at your screen here, let Mr. Begay help you on the first one. Let's go. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8. So you can put 8 here. 10, 12. You can put 12 here. 14, 16. Okay, see, you're done with this first row now. Mr. Begay helped you. Let me try it one more time with you. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now write that now on your paper. Copy it exactly the same way. And I want you to do the second row and the third row by yourself. If you get lost, rewind back to this page so you can see that to help you, okay? On Friday, you're going to turn this into me.